Okay, good morning. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Demi Asari Ramadan. You can call me Demi. I graduated from University of Istiqom Bali majoring computer system in 2016. In the second, I graduated from Festival Malang College majoring hospitality in 2018. I live in Malang, East Java. I am married and I have one son. My last job experience as a room boy at Tristar Hotel for 6 months. Number two, why do you want to work at our company? Sir, it is a great privilege for anyone, especially for me, to work in a reputed company like yours. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching your requirements, where I can showcase my talent and my skills to contribute to the company growth. Number two, what are your strengths? I'm honest, I'm self-motivated, I'm hardworking, with positive attitude towards my career and my lives. Number four, what are your weaknesses? Okay, I cannot say no when someone asks for helping, and I'm a little bit nervous when I talk to strangers, but I can handle it. Number five, why should we hire you? With reference to my work experience, I satisfy all the requirements for this job. I am sincere with my work and would never let you down in any way. I do my best for my job, and you will never regret for this decision to appoint me in your organization. Number six, tell me, what do you know about this company? Okay, P&O Cruise Ship is one of the best, fastest growing company in this world. When I the work environment of the company is very good. People feels proud to be part of the company. As company full provide full support to their employees, so I have good opportunity to show my talents and my skills. Number seven, why you looking a job change? Okay, I'm so thankful to my previous organization because I have learned a lot of things from there. According to me, yeah, changes are necessary for everyone, especially for me, to increase my career and skills, my knowledge, and for my personal growth and financial growth. Your organization is the best platform where I can learn more. Number eight, what are your salary requirements? Sir, salary has never been a big issue for me. Still, I'm expecting salary as company's norms as per my designation and my qualification and experience which can help me to maintain the standard here of level of my personal and economical needs. And what are your career goals? My short-term goals is to get a job from a reputed company like yours, where I can utilize my skills and improve my career path. My long-term goal is to be in respectable position in your organization, such as floor supervisor and executive housekeeper. And if the interviewer asks you a question, do you have any question for us? And my answer is, yes sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to know about job timings. I think that's all about my introduction, and thank you for your attention. I hope I can join with your company. Thank you and good morning.